So technically, I did play for the Chicago White Sox. All right, here's what we're gonna do today. Do you know what we're gonna do today? No! Oh, well maybe I shouldn't tell you. All right, well first, since it's reading week, right? Yes? Right? Okay, I thought it was. Maybe I made that up. We're gonna read a book, and it's called Let's Go White Sox. I think you're all really gonna love it. It stars my fuzzy green friend. Do you know who that is? Raise your hand if you know. Who knows? What's his name? Fuzzy green friend. You in the Sox jersey. Southpaw, nailed it. Southpaw. Everyone say Southpaw. 1, 2, 3. Southpaw! You are amazing listeners. When we're listening, what are some things we should remember? What should we remember? Be quiet. Very good. What are some other things we should remember when we're listening? Be respectful. How do we be respectful when we're listening to other people talk? Good answer. How do we be respectful when we're listening to other people talk? You in the pink. Yep, that's pink. Very, very good. You sit quietly. You don't talk to the person next to you. What should you do with your hands? What should you do with your hands when you're listening to someone? My man with the Cubs jersey. Everyone see this? That's all right. That's all right. No, we support all Chicago teams. There's a few other ones. Here's my deal. Here's my deal. You can like the Cubs, but you also have to like Southpaw. It seems fair. It seems fair. What should we do with our hands when we're listening? Good. Keep them in your lap. Should we be giving high fives to our neighbors? Should we be twiddling our thumbs? Should we be hitting our neighbors? Keep our hands to ourselves when we're listening. Be respectful. Pay attention. Eyes on the person who's talking. Mouths closed. That's how we be a good listener. All right, we're going to do... I need 3 volunteers. When I take volunteers, I look for the person raising their hand the highest while sitting. Mouths closed. Smiling. Biggest smiles you got? If I don't see teeth, I don't think you have them. All right, I'm gonna want you come on up. You can go right up front. I want this little guy with the teeth and the Sox jersey. And I need one more. Let's pick someone from over here. I need someone who's strong. The strongest person in the school. You think that's you? Come on up. All right, I got 3. These are all I need. Everyone give a round of applause for your volunteers. 1, 2, 3. And whoop. Good watching. That was awesome. What's your name? This is Emma. Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Brian. This is my man, Brian. Look at this jersey. He looks good, right? And what's your name? And Miss Joey. What? They're being silly. All right. So this is a predictive textbook. What does that mean? You probably don't know, but I'll explain it to you. It means that there's a few phrases in this book that are repeated over and over. You can kind of predict when they're going to be said. So we're going to start right here with my friend who's... I only pick people with ties or shoes that are untied. So, pretty good start for me. What does this say? 1, 2, 3. That was perfect. This one for Mr. Brian. What does this say? Awesome. Go. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I was just trying to get to the phrase, let's go White Sox. I will point to our south side. Chicago White Sox fans from all over the area were on their way to the ballpark. Southpaw, the Chicago White Sox mascot, joined many White Sox fans aboard the Yell train. As they arrived at the stadium, fans cheered. Okay, pretty good for our first run. Let's go, keep going. Ready for the game, White Sox fans walked from the train station to the ballpark. Everyone was excited about seeing the home team in action. A father and son waved to Southpaw and cheered. Who's that? The green one. The green one? You all are so smart. It was now time for batting practice. The team was dressed in their black practice jerseys. Each player took a turn in the batting cage. After receiving a few helpful batting tips from our fuzzy green friend Southpaw, a player hit several balls out of the ballpark. The players said, "Let's go! No smiling up here, okay? Remember that. After batting practice, the ballpark grounds crew quickly went to work. With great pride, they quickly prepared the field for play. One man wheeled away the batting cage, while another man raked the infield. As the grounds crew worked, they cheered. We're getting really good at that. Nice job, everyone. White Sox fans made their way to the concession stand. One family stopped for peanuts, popcorn, and a White Sox pennant. My favorite thing to eat at the stadium is cotton candy. Because it's all sugar. What are some of your favorite things to eat at the game? We're gonna go quick. You in the pink. Cotton candy. There's another one. What's yours? Cotton candy. Another one. What's yours? Popcorn. What's yours? Cheddar cheese pretzel. This guy knows me in my heart. How about you?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. There we go. Let's take a few more on the way back. Cheeseburger. How about you? Stumped him. What do you like to eat when you get to the ballpark? Cotton candy. We said that one 4 times and you forgot. That's okay, it happens. Last one. I'm gonna go all the way over here in the corner. What do you like to eat at the ballpark? Cotton candy and popcorn mixed all in one bag. Hey, everyone can like different things. As the family headed back to their seats after buying popcorn, peanuts, and a Sox pennant, the family cheered. It was now time to meet the White Sox players. As each player was announced, they ran out of the dugout and stood on the third baseline. Southpaw walked down the third baseline and greeted each player with a high five. Now is an appropriate time. Everyone give your neighbor a high five. 1, 2, 3. Saw a lot of misses. We need more high five practice. Okay, hands to yourself, be good listeners. Hands in your lap. Mouths closed, eyes up here. Awesome. Southpaw walked on the third baseline and greeted each player with a high five. The player said, the umpire yelled, "Play ball!" and the batter stepped into the plate. It was time for the first pitch. The White Sox pitcher stepped up to the pitcher's mound and delivered a perfect fastball. The umpire called strike 1. The game was underway. There was a festive atmosphere in the ballpark as the White Sox fans were enjoying a great day of baseball and fun. And they were being safe. One family stood up and started a White Sox cheer. They cheered. It was now time for the 7th inning stretch. What do you do during the 7th inning stretch? Who knows? In the jersey right there. First hand up. That was easy. You stretch. What else do you do? I think there's a song they sing. Does anyone know what the name of that song is? You in the Orange. That is right. You do sing. What is the name of the song? You in the Under Armour. Take me out to the ball game. Do we have any singers in here? I need someone with a beautiful voice. Maybe Beyonce. How about you two? You come up, you come up. We're gonna sing this song. Oh my goodness. I'm a mind reader. Did you know that? Yeah, I am. What are you thinking about right now? Guess the number 1 to 10. Go ahead, guess it. 10. Is that right? I knew it. See? Mind reader. All right, we're going to sing Take Me Out to the Ball Game, but I need you girls to help me. What's your name?
Eleanor.
Miss Eleanor.
Penelope.
And Miss Penelope. Those are beautiful names, girls. All right, we're going to sing Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Do you know how it goes? Okay. Ready? 1, 2. I need all of your help. 3.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the ground.
I don't care if I ever get back for it. The White Sox, if they don't win, it's a shame. That was the most. 2 young ladies. It was Madeline, Eleanor, and Penelope. Is there a Madeline in here? That's who I was talking about. Sorry, Madeline. Southpaw invited some of his closest friends to join him on top of the White Sox dugout as he led the crowd in song. Afterwards, White Sox fans cheered. With the game tied at the bottom of the 9th inning, White Sox player hit a deep fly ball right over the fence. What is it called when you hit the ball over the fence? Home run! Several fans tried to catch the home run ball. The crowd cheered. White Sox win! White Sox win. Hopefully we get a lot of those this year, right? After everyone celebrated the thrilling White Sox victory, fans walked through the parking lot and made their way back to the train station. Once Southpaw returned home, he crawled into bed and thought about all the fun he had at the ballpark. In his dreams, he could still hear the chants. Yeah! Wonder, right? And then I heard you saw the movie? What was the main theme in the book Wonder? What was the main thing that everybody, no matter what scenario was, you were practicing this? What were you practicing?
Choose kind.
Choose kind. You were practicing kindness. Very good, thank you. You were practicing being kind to others. And then that leads me to the kindness rocks you all made. Did you make kindness rocks? What did you do with those kindness rocks? Raise your hand. What did you do with those kindness rocks? She doesn't remember. What did you do with your kindness rock? You put it on the ground? Did anyone give that kindness rock to a friend? Did anyone give that kindness rock to a parent? Did anyone give it to their teacher? Sorry, teachers. I thought it was a great idea. How about to your principal? Oh, okay. One person. Are you wearing a White Sox shirt too? Yeah, see, I knew I liked that guy. Team Southwest. Who's that? Us! All of us! All of you! Team Southwest, what do you talk about when we're referring to Team Southwest? What does that mean? You in the blue shirt. You don't remember? That's okay. How about you in the red shirt? To work as a team. Team Southwest, you collaborate together. You work as a team.